If you uploaded a video on YouTube and you received this yellow sign, it means your video has ad limited. In this video, I will demonstrate how to solve the ad limited issue. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. Click on YouTube Studio. Upload video. Select video. Open. The video is uploading. How to download videos from YouTube. Processing up to HD. Checking 1%, 10 minutes left. No, it's not made for kids. Next. Monetization. Select. On. Done. Next. Ad suitability. Does your video's content, title, description, or keywords contain any of the following? None of the above. Submit rating. Next. Add an end screen. And add cards. Check complete. Ad suitability issue found. Next. Error sign. Check. We'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility or monetization, and then you will have the opportunity to fix the issues before publishing your video. Ad suitability. This video may earn limited or no ad revenue due to content identified as not suitable for advertisers. Learn more. Here are the advertiser-friendly content guidelines from YouTube. You should read these guidelines for your channel so you will not get any problem. What happens if we publish this video? Next. Public. Publish. Issue found. Your video's visibility and monetization may be restricted. Review and resolve any issues before publishing to maximize your revenue potential. Publish. Now if you click on content, here is a yellow $sign. Limited. This video may earn limited or no ad revenue due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. We use a combination of automated systems and human reviews to detect violations of our advertiser-friendly content guidelines. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. How do I solve this issue? Click on Edit. Monetization. Request review. Request a human review. If you are certain that your video, thumbnail, and metadata meet YouTube's advertiser-friendly guidelines, you can request a human review. We prioritize reviews based on a number of signals. I have double-checked that my video satisfies YouTube's advertiser-friendly guidelines. Check box. And click on Request Review. Request submitted. Now you have to wait. YouTube will review your request, and after that, they will remove this restriction. Welcome back. Now you can see my ad restriction has been removed. And the yellow $sign converts into a green $sign. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.